So today is March 1st. I thought we'd get the pressure washer out and get the front entrance done, because I can't see because I've already washed it off, rinsed it off, but the lint from the dryer gets all over the wall. So that's what we're going to do right now. Let's get this front entrance. It's a little bright out here today. 67 degrees on March 1st. Well, it's 1:25 and I have completed the pressure washing. I did both the left and the right, and I also did the gutter covering in the gutter. So it looks pretty good. Only took me about an hour and a half doing everything, and yep, I'm quite pleased with it. Chalk this off the project list today. So that is done, and I even cut my hair today. So all in all, good project. As I just said, I even cut my own hair this morning. So let's get this March 1st off to a good start. So our first project, pressure washing, completed.